Hey, Michael Rosberg here, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit. And today I want to talk to you about a question I get asked all the time, especially when I first started, which was, Michael, how are you ever going to get paid from people that have IRS problems who owe the IRS thousands, if not tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars from the IRS? The words just kind of rolled off my tongue, and I used to say in advance, of course. Now, a lot of you may be wondering, where do people find the money? Where do they raise the money? If they owe the IRS, how are they ever going to find money to pay my fees, which are not inexpensive? So first of all, if someone is in trouble, if they have enough pain in their lives regarding this issue, trust me, they will find the money to pay your fees. And they can raise the money from friends or family members, their parents, their brother or sister, a friend. They can take a payroll advance at their place of employment and pay it back through payroll deduction. Some folks have collections, some have gun collections, some have stamp or coin collections, some have auto collections. They can liquidate some of those, or they can simply probably hold a garage sale that they have a garage full of stuff that they can turn into dollars to pay your fees. The other way is if they have a 401k or IRA at their place of employment, they can borrow against that to fund your fees, and also they get a deduction on the IRS form 433A, and they pay that back through payroll deduction. So there's a number of ways that people are able to get the money to pay your fees. I mean, look, think of it this way. If someone is charged with a misdemeanor, or God forbid, a felony, and they have to get expert representation, trust me, they will find the money to get the best representation that money could buy. And people will do the same thing here. Now, how do you get paid in advance? So the way we used to work, and the way I work it is I usually collect 30% as a deposit on the entire value of the case. That's one way. So let's say the case was worth $5,000. So you do your engagement letter for $5,000. You have them sign that, the power of attorney, Form 2848, the Form 8821, which is the tax information and authorization form, and at the same time, they also sign a credit card authorization form or an ACH authorization form, authorizing you to debit their account once a month on a date they designate to get paid on the balance. And that's how you get paid in advance. And we used to get that form secured at the time we got retained. So, Michael Rosberg's #1 commandment is get your fee first. If you don't get your fee first, and if you don't get this credit card authorization form signed and in place, just reserve yourself to the fact that you're going to be doing a lot of pro bono work because people who owe the IRS are not going to pay you at the end after you settle their case and you send them an invoice. That's not happening, because if the most brutal collection agency on the planet can't get traction with getting paid from your client, you're not either. So you got to get paid in advance. You got to get your fee first, and that's how you collect your fees in advance before your client's case settles. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a CPA, an enrolled agent, or an attorney, and you want to learn more about the lucrative tax resolution niche, click on the link above my shoulder, enter your name and email, and you'll go to my free webinar training where I'll teach you and show you how to get tax resolution clients, what to say to them when the phone rings, how to screen them, how to segregate the looky-loos and the tire kickers from qualified prospects, how to schedule the appointment, know what to say, and more importantly, know not what to say to make sure they actually show up in your office or on the phone at the appointed time. I teach you how to get retained, close the deal. What do you say to these qualified prospects in order to get them to take their credit card out from their wallet, give it to you to get retained so you can start working the case and help them. I'll teach you how to get paid in advance before their case settles and how to turn them into referral machines. So just click on the link above, give me your name and email. You'll be automatically entered into that free deep dive training.